Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your MyWorldLink password. First, open your web browser and go to the MyWorldLink login page. Look for the Forgot Password link, which is usually found near the login button. Click on this link to start the recovery process. You will then be prompted to enter your registered email address or username associated with your account. This step is crucial for the system to identify your account correctly. After submitting your email or username, MyWorldLink will send a password reset link to your registered email address. Open your email inbox and look for this message. It might be in your spam folder. Click on the link provided in the email to be redirected to the password reset page. Here, you can create a new, strong password. Ensure your new password is between 8 and 16 characters and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. If you encounter issues, first check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Sometimes, a poor connection can prevent pages from loading correctly. Also, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as old data can sometimes interfere with website functions. If these steps do not resolve the problem, do not hesitate to contact MyWorldLink customer support. They can provide personalized assistance and guide you through the process. Always use a unique password for your MyWorldLink account, different from those used on other sites. This practice significantly reduces your risk if one of your accounts is compromised. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. It adds a second verification step. Remember, for great deals and other useful links, including where to find some incredibly durable socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video. Keeping your account secure is a top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.